Hey, welcome back to another edition of Lisa Renee TV. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe before you leave today. And of course, make sure to thumbs up the video and to share on all your social media networking sites that you happen to be on at this time. So, hey guys, welcome back. Hey, what is going on? What's going on, subbies? I've missed you. I've missed you. I always miss you guys. What was our last on? Last week? Yeah, last week. I've been keeping up schedule. I try to stay on track. I know I got off track probably like a couple of weeks ago. I had a lot going on, but I've been on track. Anyway, so tonight is a special video because I'm actually recording when I just got off work like not too long ago. I got off at 9, but I'm finally home, and so I'm actually recording. I just must get this out there. So this video is just talking about my book, a book that I wrote, Thin Line Between Gay and Straight. I wrote this book when I was 16 years old, guys. I'm 27 now. So, yeah, this was like, more than 10 years ago. Yeah, about 11, 12 years ago. Yeah, so I wrote this book when I was 16 years old. And it is a book that is near and dear to my heart because of one of my first books that I ever published. And it was just a special book to me. It really is definitely a special gift. Yeah. So I don't know if a lot of you even know that I write. I've mentioned it from time to time on here. I know I don't talk about it a lot, so forgive me if I have not talked about it a lot, and I know it may come as a shock. So a lot of you are like, what? I didn't know you wrote. So yes, I am a writer. That is my gift. One of my gifts from God. I do write as well as, vlog and all that other kind of stuff, and have my own store and whatnot. But I write as well. I've been writing since I was 6 years old. So yeah, so Thin Line Between Gay and Straight, that's this book right here that I'm holding. See, can you see? I wrote that book when I was 16. I published it when I was 16. And it was a really exciting time for me. And I know the title was like really interesting, right? Like Thin Line Between Gay and Straight. Ooh, what's that about? Ooh. Okay, so when I was 16 years old, I was in high school, and like it seemed like during that time it was a lot going on as far as like the LGBTQ community, like in my school. Not that they were not even in a supportive way, like, oh, they had a lot of services for them or a lot of clubs. No, really, no, definitely not. When I got to college, yeah, but no, not in my high school, nah. Cause I went to just a regular urban, community high school, so no, you're not gonna get a lot of support as far as LGBTQ students. Unfortunately, not in a place like that. So, yeah. Well, I knew like a lot of there were a lot of girls there who were gay or bisexual, claiming to be that, a lesbian or whatever, and guys as well. And it seemed like it was just a time where gay, like being gay or homosexual at the time, was kind of a trend almost. It was like buying a new pair of jeans or a shirt. It was just a thing to do. And for some people now, it still is, for some odd reason, this is just something that they jump into. It's like, oh, I'm doing this now because everybody else is doing it. I'm like, okay, don't know why, but okay. So yeah, it was just like this trend thing. And like everybody was kind of doing it, and like everybody, it was just weird. Like people who you wouldn't even think, they'd be like, "Oh yeah, so I'm, gay now. Yeah, I'm lesbian. Oh, I'm bi. And so, I know I have a this is a pink. This is for breast cancer. But anyway, these little wristbands like this, they be wearing the rainbow ones, and you'd be like, okay, where's this coming from? You know what I'm saying? So, and a lot of you may have experienced the same thing, when you were in high school or whatever, or college, and it was just this thing. So I knew some people like that. So I knew, come on through. Yeah, come on. So, so I knew like one girl, and she told me that she was in a relationship at the time with a girl, and the girl, it was good at first, and the girl started to abusing her physically and emotionally and mentally, and it just went haywire. And so now eventually this girl like I think a couple years later after she told me this, ended up with she was not gay anymore. Okay, see what I mean? It was like it's a trend. It stopped, and I guess the trend was over for her. She ended up back with a man and had a baby and everything. So I think what happened was I heard her story and something like triggered inside of me to write the book, and I started writing. So yeah, I mean, at the time, of course, I didn't think it was, God or Holy Spirit or anything like that. But now that I'm, I'm well versed in who I am spiritually now at the age of 27. Now I can truly say like, God can move in so many mysterious ways, and when He wants to speak to you, He will, and when He wants you to do something, He will instruct you to do it, and just at the tender age of 16, I was obedient, and I didn't know where it came from, where this thought came from to write this book, but I went with it, and thus birthed this. So it was published back when I was 16 by American Literary Press. That was the publisher. It sold a few copies. I would say maybe a few thousand copies. I have a few additional copies that I have with me at home. They're in my basement. So the reason why I made this video today was because I want to sell these copies to you. I want you all to have a chance to read the book. I know you guys have never read it, so I want to be able to, sell additional copies to you, my subbies, and other people as well who haven't heard of me. So I want you all to have the chance to have those additional copies because I can do with those copies what I want to do, and so I want to give those to you all. Okay, so where can you get a copy? You're like, so where are we going to get this copy at? Okay, so I have them. You can get a copy. It's on eBay. Okay, so on eBay, you can pay if you have PayPal. I use PayPal. You can pay with PayPal. It's $15. You can, and the shipping is free. Okay, shipping is free. I'm not charging you for shipping. $15. You can pay with PayPal. You can use your Visa card, MasterCard, whatever you're comfortable with. It is available on eBay. I will provide the link below. The eBay link below to give you, excuse me, my allergies are acting low. But yeah, I will provide the link below, the eBay link for you to be able to go right to the book. And also, you can also search for me in the eBay search box. You can just put in Thin Line Between Gay and Straight Lisa R. Brown, and it'll pop up. It should say, it'll show you the book, my name, and then $15 free shipping. And then you go from there. So I want you all to have that chance to have a copy of the book. And, just read, like, this is the first book I ever published. So it's really special to me. And I want to share it with you all. Because you are a part of my life now. And you are all a special part of my life. So, yeah. I wanted to share the opportunity with you. So I'm going to leave the links. It'll either probably be in an annotation box here on the screen. It'll also be below so you all can go to the more info box and actually click the link and go directly to the site. Also, my store, LR Boutique at .storeenvy.com. Yes, I have t-shirts on sale. I still have t-shirts selling. That link will also be in the more info box below. I'm going to put up some new shirts too. I had a couple ideas for some new shirts. So those are going to come up soon. I haven't had a chance to create them because I've had so much stuff going on, you guys. So I look forward to updating you all on like what's been going on in my world, really, really soon. Definitely, most definitely. But I just wanted to jump on here tonight and just let you know that I got books on sale. And this is not just any book, this is my first book. So, yeah, I got a lot going on right now. I really do. So, yeah. So, like, more on the way from me. Definitely, there's like so much more coming, but yeah, I'm gonna post the eBay link for you all, and you all get the book, read the book, let me know what you think, and yeah, just thank you all for always supporting the Lisa Renee brand, Lisa Renee TV, always rocking with me every week or every 2 weeks, usually it's every week, but if I can get on here, if my schedule permits, and nothing crazy or haywire happens in my week, I can hop on every week like I like it. But anyway, thank you guys for hanging in with me as always. Thank you all for watching. So make sure to share the video and thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, go get your book. Go get it. Go get you a t-shirt while you edit, so you can put a t-shirt on and be cute while you reading the book. You know? Yeah. All right. Love you guys. Have a blessed night.